Hi everyone and welcome back to another pimple popping video. So this is a pimple that I done on live, but unfortunately I didn't record any of the footage of me doing the pimples, so I'm just pretty much going to be putting the same footage of what I did on my thigh, but it's pretty much the exact same process. So start off by doing heaps and heaps and heaps of layers of liquid latex, very thin layers so they become translucent when they dry. And then pretty much just touching it and dabbing it to see if it's dry. Then I get some setting powder and set that in so it becomes thicker, and then I do another coat of the latex on top and more, just pretty much repetitive process until it gets thick. So then when I lift it up with the tweezers, which is what I'm doing now, it doesn't kind of break, but you obviously want the hole in the middle so you can fill up your pimple with pus and all that good stuff. So today's pimple, I done it on my hand inside my palm, and it turned out pretty cool. It did squirt and pop out just the way I wanted it to. So yeah, pretty much now I'm just filling it up with some Vaseline. So I use petroleum jelly Vaseline, it's the same thing. If you don't have that, you can also use some moisturizing cream. So pretty much just fill up a syringe. I worked out the little secret, so I fill up a syringe which is like bigger, and then I put it in a smaller syringe so it's easier and it goes straight kind of down. And especially if you have a little kind of head with your latex bubble, then that's the best thing to do, to use a smaller syringe. Anyway, so now I just fast forward this process. It took a while. I just pretty much just shaping and molding the pimple, and then this is what it turned into, the shape. It looks like a huge volcano. And after doing heaps and heaps of layers of liquid latex, setting each layer in with a little bit of setting powder, it's pretty much just a repetitive process going round and round again. So yeah, I'm just pretty much using more latex on top. And then I use some blood, some color wheels. So the color wheel that I use is BYS. And then I picked up the red shade and I pretty much just kind of smudge that all around the skin of the pimple. And now I'm just using some of my favorite blood. My all-time favorite blood is the clotted blood. So I pretty much just went in and just put it on the tip of the pimple, and this is the pimple popping. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys for all the support and for the subscribers that I've gained. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you guys once again for watching, and yeah, feel free to subscribe, feel free to comment, like, give me any comments or video suggestions that I should do. I will appreciate that, and yeah, anything you guys would like to see, just let me know. Okie dokie, I'll see you guys all in another one. Bye. Enjoy the little removal, by the way.